Mabuhay ug madyaw. Good day everyone. I am Claire Cañete and I will be discussing the continuation of tips on personal finance planning. So let's proceed to tip number 6. So it states that we should read our bank statement regularly against our own records. This is very important because it helps us monitor our money and make sure that all transactions are correct. By checking our bank statements, we can easily identify errors, unnecessary expenses, or even unauthorized transactions. It also helps us become more responsible sa pag-handle sa atuang finances because we are aware kung asa magpadulong ang atuang money. Now, let's move on to tips number 7 and 8. Tip number 7 is about studying our spending habits by taking note of our funds and expenses. This means we should keep track of how much money we receive and how much money we spend. By doing this, we can identify which expenses are necessary and which are not. It also helps us para maiwasan ang overspending and para ma-improve ang atong budgeting skills. Next tip is the number 8. It reminds us to save as much as we can afford. A good goal is to save at least 10% of our income. So even small amounts of saving can grow over time and help us during emergencies or future needs. So we should also try to save extra income natong ma-receive such as allowances, gifts, or bonuses instead of spending them immediately. Next is the tip number 9. So it explains that some employers offer contributions to match retirement savings or health savings. This means that when employees save money for retirement or health care, the employer also adds money to their savings. This is very beneficial because it increases savings faster and can also reduce taxable income. So, ang pag-take advantage ani na opportunity is like receiving free additional money from the employer. And lastly, tip number 10. It tells us that with financial guidance, discipline, living within our means and common sense, we can improve our financial situation and increase our wealth over time. So, personal finance planning is not only about earning money, but also about managing it wisely. Through proper budgeting and saving and responsible spending, we can achieve financial stability and prepare for a better future. Thank you, and that concludes my report.